Lois? Lois?
Careful there, Prince Charming. It's bad luck to sneak a peek at the bride before you get to the altar. I know that technically you saw me this morning, but the rules only apply when the wedding is officially on.
On? Lois, I thought you called off the wedding.
Don't have a cow, farm boy. But I read your vows. And I know that is against the rules, but a little birdie bridesmaid gave it to me, and they were beautiful. And I realized that I was a fool because what we have is a gift, and I was trying to return it. And we're a perfect fit. So here's my vows. Now we're even.
Lois, sometimes you can see things that I can't. And you walked away, I thought, because you couldn't bring yourself to be the one to stand in the way of my destiny.
Well, here's the thing about that. I can be loud. And at times, I'm a little bossy. So someone might wonder why a person of your godlike caliber would be with a woman who is so imperfect. Well, don't take this the wrong way, but you come with some baggage of your own. And it's made me a better person. Just like being with me will make you a greater man and a superhero, I hope.
Lois, what if you were right? With your family not being here and the doubts that you had yesterday, maybe the stars aren't aligned.
Well, believe me, it's a buzzkill that the chief of staff whisked Daddy away into some hush-hush meeting, but I'm a big girl. I can walk myself down the aisle. As my mom always said, the ones you love are always with you. And right now, my dad would be telling me that I should have laid out all my clothes the night before so that I wouldn't be whirling around like a dervish. And Mom, she's reminding me that I need to breathe and take in every moment so that I can remember them forever. What would your dad say, Clark?
Not sure he would say anything, Lois. Just kind of the way it was with my dad, you know. I always knew exactly what he was thinking.
Clark, what did you mean about the stars not aligning? I wanted these vows to be perfect, but perfection's a hard thing to get your hands on. But life is meant to be a little messy. And when it comes to love, I think it's like my dad always said about the army. You only sign up if it's the only thing you can ever imagine doing. And Clark, I cannot imagine spending a moment of my life without you. So I promise that I will always have your back, as you will always have mine. You're my best friend. You're my home. And you're my true love. And I am yours and will be forever. Clark?
I'm here. I'll see you at the chapel.
Yeah. See you there.